time, always believed in your friends. No matter how I talk, they will carry you, won't bring you back. Still you choose to walk. I tried warning you, hoping it won't be too late. But the fast life you keep, death awaits you by the gate. Your mother trying, father providing, blood and sweat for you. They sacrificing, whole day they're working. What more you want them to do? You're too damn hardened, your shoulder listen. Your body lifeless and cold. In a gutter, your blood is splattered, dead like a dog in the road. Children, why won't you hear the cry of a mother? Listen to the cry of a mother. Understand the pain of a father. Listen to the pain of a father. Every time a child is gone, it's another parent to mourn. This notorious act you display, don't throw your whole life away. Before you decide to pose with a gun, you got to assess your situation. Taking lives, you're taking it for fun. One day you go have to pay. Blood money, fast money, drug money, people money in your hand. Ain't gonna stay, crime no pay. No way.
When you're gonna,
Yeah, the cry of a mother. Yeah, the cry of a father. Don't go down that road, I say. Get on your knees and start to pray. Wipe the tears from your mother. Feel the heartbreak of your father. Boy, give up them dreadful ways. Get on your knees and start to pray. Oh, oh. Oh, daughter, all that glitters is not gold. Oh, my child, don't gain the world and lose your soul. How many times I will preach that book should come before boys. Now his attitude, you don't want to learn. Well, the choice is yours. I place that trust in you, knowing that you are raised right. But now when I talk to you, you're raising your hand like you want to fight. Your mother's struggling, shame she feeling. You pack your clothes and run away. People back talking, what they intel she is what they forget to say. 2 years later, starring on paper with handcuffs on your hand. Your 2 eyes bruise up, your belly swell up. You're making jail for the man. Children, why won't you hear the cry of a mother? Listen to the cry of a mother. Understand the pain of a mother. Listen to the pain of a mother. Every time a child is gone, is another mother to mourn. The selfish act you display, go throw your whole life away. Before you pick up and leave, just think twice. Life out there not easy, it ain't nice. Men will treat you like sugar and spice, then leave you and go their way. Easy money, sugar daddy, call your baby. He wants honey, you want man. They don't stay, go throw your life away. No way.
when you're gonna,
Hear the cry of a mother, feel the pain of a mother. Don't go down that road, I say. Get on your knees and start to pray. Wipe the tears from your mother, take away the shame from your mother. You give up them selfish ways. Get on your knees and start to pray. Oh, oh. Oh, my son, you have to lead by example. Oh, my child, you You are hero and role model. One phone call is all it takes. Your dad straight out of the door. Where did brother go? Where big brother gone? Your siblings want to know. From the style of clothes that you wear, even the way that you speak, they emulate all you do. So now they're fresh and sucking their teeth. Start off drinking, now weed you're smoking, red bills turn into blue. Your brother seeing like you were thinking, you know he will follow you. School start calling, teachers he fighting, it's disrespect every day. The police coming, and now he running, another youth gone astray. Children, why won't you hear the cry of a brother? Understand the pain of a sister. Every time a child is gone, is another sibling to mourn. This careless act you display, don't throw your whole life away. Be careful of decisions that you make. They're taking note of every mistake. Child not asking for goodness sake. Lead them in the right way. Blood money, fast money, weed money, people money in your hand. It don't stay, crime no pay. No way.
When you're gonna
Hear the cry of a brother, hear the cry of a sister. Don't go down that road, I say. Get on your knees and start to pray. Wipe the tears from your brother. Yeah, your sister ball for she brother. But give up them dreadful ways. Get on your knees and start to pray. No, no. Oh, oh. Oh, my son, you are a child I call my own. Oh, daughter, the battle you face, you're not alone. From the day you walked in my class, I saw something great in you. Bright and confident, sweet yet innocent. Despite all that you've been through, I wiped those tears from your eyes and took you under my care. No one to love you at home, so I promised that I'd be there. I tried to guide you, support and mold you, prayed and hoped you would rise from temptation and self-destruction. Pray to God you'd be wise. My phone start ringing, my belly turning. I thought I did my best. Disbelieving, my heart is grieving as we lay you to rest. Why won't you hear the cry of a teacher? Understand the pain of a teacher. Every time a student is gone, is a son or daughter I mourn. This selfish act you display, this pain it won't go away. Before you decide to give up on life, I beg and please, children, think twice. You're leaving loved ones with tears in their eyes. We all need you here to stay. Blood money, fast money, drug money, people money.